Through this lecture, we are going to discuss some of the definitions provided under Industrial Relations Ordinance 2002 in order to be elaborative about rights and liabilities of workman and employer as provided under IRO. Illegal lockout is defined under IRO as a lockout declared, commenced, or continued otherwise than in accordance with the provisions of this ordinance, meaning thereby whatever is beyond that lockout, which is legally provided under IRO, would be termed as illegal lockout. Illegal strike means a strike declared, commenced, or continued otherwise than in accordance with the provisions of this ordinance. Means that all those procedures, all those reasons, which are all those grounds which are provided for strike in an industry, in an establishment under IRO, if anything is beyond that reasons or grounds, or any procedure is adopted which is not recognized under IRO, would be termed as illegal strike. Industrial dispute is a dispute or difference between employers and workmen or among the workmen, and it should be concerned with the employment or non-employment or the terms of employment or conditions of work. If it is related to any other dispute, that would not be termed as industrial dispute under IRO. Similarly, industry is defined as a business, trade, manufacture, calling, service, occupation, or employment engaged in an organized economic activity of producing goods or services for sale. It excludes those set up exclusively for charitable purposes, operating through public or private donations, where charitable purpose includes provision of education, medical care, emergency relief, and other needs of the poor and indigent. So, industry is any business, trade, manufacture, or organization whose purpose is to perform some economic activity for gain. Lockout is something legal, something recognized in IRO, and lockout means the closing of a place of employment or part of such place or the suspension of work, wholly or partly, by an employer. Means lockout is always done by the employer and it has nothing to do with the workman. Or refusal, absolute or conditional, by an employer. Employer can refuse absolutely or conditionally, and he can suspend his work in his industry or establishment. Strike is also something legal and recognized under IRO. Strike means cessation of work by a body of persons employed in any establishment, acting in combination, or a concerted refusal, or refusal under a common understanding of any number of persons who have been so employed to continue to work or to accept employment. Strike is to be done by the workman and it has nothing to do with the employer. In order to defend the rights and interests of the workers, there is an organization which is recognized as trade union. So trade union is defined under IRO as any combination of workers formed primarily for the purpose of furthering and defending the interests and rights of workers in an industry or establishment, and it also includes industry-wise federation of two or more collective bargaining agent unions. Worker or workman is any person who is not falling within the definition of employer, who is not employing someone but who is employed by the employer and he is working in an industry or establishment.